Hi, my name is Kellen. I'm a professional pest control operator for both Bengal products and Bengal Pro exterminators. Today we're going to walk you through how to do DIY pest control using Bengal products. If you're looking to protect your yard from unwanted fire ants, Bengal UltraDust 2X Fire Ant Killer is your solution. Unlike other ant baits and dusts, Bengal UltraDust kills the entire mound, ants, and queen overnight and is safe around ornamental plants. There is no need for watering it in, it doesn't clump, and it will continue to kill the insects for up to 8 months. Packaged in an easy-to-use canister, shake about a teaspoon of product over the top of the mound and you are done. The ants will carry the product deep into the mound for guaranteed overnight extermination. There you have it. Now you know how to do some DIY pest control with Bengal products.